In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from your WordPress website. Whether you're looking to back up your media library or simply want copies of images for offline use, I'll walk you through the straightforward process with clarity and ease. Let's start by understanding why you might want to do this. Backing up your images ensures that you don't lose important media files if something goes wrong with your website. Having a local copy can be a lifesaver if you're redesigning your site or moving content around. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You'll find this by adding WP admin to the end of your website's URL in a web browser. After entering your login credentials, you'll find yourself in the dashboard where the magic happens. Now, let's go to the Media section on the left side of the dashboard. This is where all of your uploaded images and media files are stored. Click on Library to open up the entire collection. If you have a lot of media, you can use the search bar in the top right corner to find a specific image quickly, or sort them by date and type, helping you narrow down your choices. Once you've located the image you want to download, click on it to bring up the details. Here, you'll see information such as file type, upload date, and more. Look for the file URL on the right side of the screen. It's usually right below the image title. Click on this URL, and it will open the image in a new tab or window of your browser. Now, you should see the image in its full size. To download it, right-click on the image and select Save Image as from the context menu. A window will pop up, prompting you to choose a location to save your image on your device. Pick your preferred location and ensure the file name is something you'll remember, then click Save. If you have many images to download, repeating this for each one might be tedious. In such cases, consider using a plugin like Export Media with selected content or others available in the WordPress plugin repository that can download images in bulk. These can save significant time and effort, especially if your media library is large. Remember, it's always good practice to back up your images periodically, keeping your content safe and easily accessible. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you feel more confident about downloading images from your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.